All right, I don't know if I'm in view. It is super hot in here. I'm in my new garage in North Carolina. I love having a garage. I had a car right where I'm standing, sitting, kneeling, whatever. It's a new car. Haven't mentioned it yet to the channel, but that's not what this video is about. I'll show that in another video, so stay tuned. It's nothing crazy, just, something old school that I really wanted for a while. What we're doing today is what I've been saying for a while and I still haven't done, so I feel bad, but the move has been crazy. I got new wheels going on the Integra Type S. I've had them for months. I've still never opened them. I'm about to drop off the Integra with the wheels to get installed. But let's show you guys. I've said I wanted to show you. I don't even know what they look like. So let's really quickly just open up the box, take a quick peek at them, and then I'm gonna go drop them off with the Integra. In the next video, hopefully you're gonna see the Integra Type S with the wheels on it. The S2000 just got the exhaust modification. If you're new to the channel, basically right now it's got an NVIDIA Q300 on. I have Burke high flow cat that I wanted to install. At the same time, I wanted to chop off the bottle style resonator on the NVIDIA Q300 and replace it with a vibrant ultra quiet resonator. Hopefully they would balance each other out. I just picked that up today. Sounds phenomenal. Not too different, which is not a bad thing because the Q300 I think sounds good. But with a high flow cat, it would have really made it more raspy. So like I said, to balance it out, high flow cat, ultra quiet resonator by Vibrant in place of the NVIDIA one. All three of those parts are available on drivendistrict.com as well as the wheels that we're about to check out. So let's see them. Let me know what you think about them. All right. Hopefully I'm in view. I'll do some B-roll after too and then I'll showcase it. So what are these? They are SSR GTX01. 19 by 9.5, 38 offsets. Do you see that? Do you see what that says? Do you see what that says there? Blue gunmetal. I'm not a color person. When it comes to cars, wheels, okay, I'm sorry if this has been hitting the camera the whole time. I heard it hitting. I'm not a color person. Usually I go with black, gray cars. My cars are usually black, white, or gray. Same with wheels. I don't go anything crazy. But this color, it's not a real typical blue, like a vibrant blue. Again, I haven't seen it. We're gonna check it out in person together. But from the looks of it, I've seen it on a gray Civic Type R. My Integra Type S is gray. And the other reason, one, it looks really good, but also the exhaust I got by MBRP, which again, you can get it, I have videos, I'll link in the corner, sound clips, and if anyone's interested, it's on drivendistrict.com. That exhaust, I got it with the burnt titanium tips. Usually I don't like burnt titanium tips. NVIDIA Q300 on my S2000, I went with the rolled tips. I like it better. But MBRP only had burnt titanium and carbon fiber. I wasn't a fan of the dark carbon. So I figured, you know what? And it wasn't in stock at the time. So I went with the burnt titanium tips. I actually do think they look really nice on the gray car. So let's balance it out with some gunmetal blue wheels. Let's check them out. Some packaging, some info. A box in a box. Come on. So this is the goods. Let's be careful over here. This better be recording. The audio better be recording. I'm doing this like in a rush because I'm about to head out, but I've been saying that I would show you guys this, so I wanted to stand by my word and show you. Plus, like I said, I still haven't seen these. Packaging, in case anyone's interested. Protective cover. Protective sleeve. You know what? Let's do this. I think you guys can see that. I have a light over here. Ooh, I can see the color on the back already. Oh, I'm dripping, man. All right, you ready for this, guys? This is my first time. Let me get a better look, all right? Ooh, we got the SSR logo right there. Do you see what I mean by these aren't your typical bright, vibrant blue? Let's just peel it back and look at these beauties right here. Look at that. Whew. I think this is gonna look phenomenal. Dark gray, liquid carbon metallic, if you want to be specific, I think is what Acura calls that paint code. To me, it's like a dark charcoal gray, Burnt titanium tips, sitting on Eibach Pro Kit springs, little aggressive, you know, loses that wheel gap. And then these beauties over here, can you guys see this? We got the light over here, so hopefully the light will kind of help you guys see how it looks. I don't know how the camera angle is gonna be. So while I'm talking right now, I will probably overlap some B-roll footage, and then we are probably just gonna stop it right after this B-roll footage. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna drop off the Integra Type S along with these wheels. The S2000 I just got back today, swapped it for that other car that I didn't mention yet. I'm gonna reveal it to the channel very soon. I'd love to kind of turn that into a project car, but nothing too crazy. It's a nice car. I'm not gonna go too much into it. I'm not gonna go into it at all, actually. So stay tuned and subscribe if you wanna know. I think you guys will enjoy it. And thanks for the support. Check out drivendistrict.com for some parts, everything I mentioned here, some merch. Appreciate it. See you guys soon. Thanks a lot.